Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these air fryer potato wedges. They're so quick and easy to make, and they're crispy and perfectly seasoned, and they make a tasty appetizer or a side dish. I'm using 4 potatoes over here. You can use how many ever you want. And I'm going to wash these nicely, and I'm also going to peel them. You don't have to peel them. I think it will also be nice without it being peeled. But I chose to peel it today. Once it's all peeled, cut it in half and then cut it into wedges pieces. Now we're going to make the seasoning. Firstly, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add salt as needed. Add about 5 garlic cloves grated. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of chili powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder, and it will give you the best seasoning ever. Just mix it all well. Make sure you mix it well. Add in your wedges. I would like to just add a half of it and then mix it up all together and then add the other half later. And now you're just going to coat all of them in the seasoning. So you need to really try and get every single potato wedge to have the seasoning. So this is what it looks like, all mixed up, so delicious. Now brush some oil onto the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also fry these just on a pan with some oil, or you can also bake them. Add your entire seasoned potato wedges into an air fryer. You can also do this in batches, but I would just like to put everything in one batch. Air fry it on 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And here we have the air fryer potato wedges all done. So you can have them by itself or you can have it with some sauce. But I think by itself is perfectly fine because it's all seasoned and it's so delicious. You guys have to try it out. It's literally my go-to snack right now because it's so easy to make. These wedges are crispy on the outside and tender and soft on the inside, just like your favorite fried wedges, but they're so much more healthier because you're using way less oil. If you do end up trying them, let me know how it went for you down in the comments below, and let me know what other recipes I should try out. Hope you guys liked this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We just hit 15,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful for every one of you guys. Thank you so much.